So today in this video we'll show you how you can promote your Max Monty CPA offers using Solo Ad. So we'll show you everything step by step. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we start, let me just log into my Max Monty account. So I've logged into my Max Monty account the same way you have to also log in. And once you log in, the next step is that we have to choose the offer that today we are going to promote using Solo Ad. So to choose the offer, you have to simply click on the left hand side search button here. And once you click, the next step is that we have to choose the offer according to the traffic source that we are going to use today to promote our offer. So the traffic source that we are going to use today is called Solo Ad, and Solo Ad is basically based on email traffic. We will be giving our product to someone who has a large email list, and they will be promoting our offer using that email list. So the traffic type here that we have to choose is email, and rest all other traffic types we have to simply unselect them, and make sure you also do that. Only make sure that email traffic is selected here. And in the geography, let's say that we want to promote offers from US only, so let's choose United States. And from category, I would suggest that if you are choosing Solo Ad as a traffic source, then make money online category, health category and dating category are the best to promote using Solo Ad. So let's say that we want to promote offers from BizOp category, that is make money online category. So let's choose that, and now you have to click on approve to run, and then you have to click on apply search option here. And now you can see it is showing us 4 to 6 offers that we can promote using Solo Ad, and all of these offers have email traffic allowed in them, and also they are approved to us, means that we don't require any type of approval from Max Monty to start promoting this offer. These offers are already approved to us. So before you even consider any offer to promote, always make sure to choose the offer that is hot in the market, that is currently converting good in the market. You have to only choose that offer. So let's sort it by these offers from high to low EPC. So you can see this offer get paid working from home, and this has 40 EPC, so the EPC of the offer is good, and the payout for this offer is $1.60. It means it is a email submit type of offer. And the second offer here has $40 of payout, and also the EPC of this offer is also 40 cents. It means this offer is also good, and it's a website profit pro type of offer. So let's just open it. If you want to know how to choose good CPA offers in Max Monty that you can consider to promote using the traffic source, so I've already made a video on this topic. If you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in description and in the I button. You can click there and watch that video. So you can see here the offer that we are choosing today as an example that we are going to promote using Solo Ad is website pro, profit pro, and allowed traffic types is email traffic is allowed on this offer. So it means we can promote using Solo Ad. Status is approved. Countries allowed is Canada and US. It means we can promote this offer both in Canada and US. And completed on credit card submit. It means it's a credit card submit offer. That's why the payout of the offer is high as compared to a lead submit offer. And you can read here the description of the offer if you want to. And once you have chosen the offer that you are going to promote, the next step is that we have to generate the affiliate link. So to generate affiliate link, you have to simply click on the build tracking button here, and then you have to choose here email, and in the second one you can choose like raw link, and then you have to simply copy this affiliate link that has been given us to by Max Monty. Simply copy this and you can paste it in the notepad if you want. And once you are done with all of these steps, the next step is that we have to open the website of our Solo Ad provider that we are going to use today. There are many Solo Ad providers currently in the market and website that you can choose from, but personally I always choose udemy.com first, because it is safe and it has money back guarantee, and second, the quality of the traffic, the quality of the Solo Ad that you will be getting on this udemy.com is super good. So I will suggest you that if you are just starting out with Solo Ad, you can go with this udemy.com also, and the rates are also reasonable here. They don't have like super cheap rates or super high rate. They have like medium type of rate on their platform. So now let me just log in into my Udemy account. So I've logged into my Udemy account the same way you have to also log in. You can see here there are a bunch of like Solo Ad providers you can see here. And now let me explain you in detail like how you can promote your Max Monty CPA offers on Solo Ad. So let's say that this is our offer today that we have chosen Max Monty that we are going to promote, and this is a solo ad provider that we have selected on Udemy. So there are basically two methods that we can promote our offer on solo ad. The first method is called a direct linking method, and the second method is called a landing page method, that where we will be using a landing page in the middle and then redirecting it back on the offer. So if your plan is to capture the email address of the user, the name of the user, then in that case you should go with the landing page method. You should place here a opt-in page, and then you can save the leads and then redirect them to the offer. But if you don't know how to do email marketing, how to create landing pages, how to create opt-in pages, how to make connection with the user, how to convert the user, so if you don't know all of these things, then I would strongly suggest you that always go with the direct linking method, because this is the easiest method. In this method you don't have to create any type of website, landing page, or any type of emails you have to write. You simply have to copy the affiliate link that we have copied from Max Bounty and give it to your solo ad provider, and he will start promoting it, and you will start getting the sales and the conversion. So this is the easiest method, but the profitability that you will be getting on direct linking method is less as compared to the profitability that you will be getting on the landing page method, because here you are like saving the leads, you are building your email list, you are then making connection with them, then you are converting them. So the profitability here is higher as compared to the profitability that you will be getting on the direct linking method. And now let's talk about that how you have to select sellers on the Udemy platform. You can see here is written price maximum, and it's written 95 cents. It means that the maximum amount of cost that you are willing to pay for a click. So I would suggest you to choose always the maximum here. And in the niche, it is currently selected any niche. You have to click on this and you have to select here finance. If you are promoting biz of offers, make money online offers, and we are promoting make money online offer, then we have to choose here finance. But if you are promoting health offer, you have to choose that. If you are promoting like any of the social traffic you want or marketing traffic, then in that case choose that category. So let's say that we go with the finance category here. So let's choose that. And then in the ratings, you have to click on here and you have to choose here 100 plus rating. At least the seller that we are going to work with should have at least 100 plus ratings with it. So let's choose 100 plus here. And then it's written got sales. You have to click on this and make sure to choose at least 30% sales in this column, because we want that Udemy should show us the sellers who have got at least 30% sales for their client. It means from out of 100 clients, they should have given 30 sales to the clients. And then you have to click on the main traffic source. You have to click on this and you can choose here United States, because we are promoting our offer in the US. You have to choose that. But if you want to choose in Canada, India, you can go with that those countries also. And you can see here that here is a list of the sellers that Udemy has come up with. So now let me show you how you have to read the stats here. Here is written the name of the seller. He is online. You can read here all the stuff here that he's written high quality top tier traffic with 100 plus tier 1 buyers included, high responsive and niche MMO and ClickBank. And you can see here the cost that he will be charging us will be 49 cents for a click. And you can see here that how many sales he has got for his client. Like out of 100, this is the number. From out of 100, he has given sales to 50 clients, and you can see here that 405 people have liked this and 6 people have disliked this. Means they are not satisfied with the seller. So we have to choose the one that has maximum number of likes and minimum number of dislikes, and also the CPC should be less and the sales should be high. So you can see here the name of the seller, it is Kevin, and you can read here over 1500 happy clients, traffic guarantee, 90 plus top tier. And you can see here that he is charging 47 cents for a click and the sales is 40%, and the likes that he has got is 2436 likes. It means that 2436 are satisfied customers and 3 are negative ones here. So let's say that we choose this seller and we have to go with this. So let's open his profile and let's check it. So the seller is currently online. He is from Canada, and you can read the stats here. and now here you have to choose like how many clicks you want to send on your affiliate link, on your landing page, on your offer. You have to choose that here. So more the clicks you send on your offer, the more cost you have to pay, and you can use this slider to choose like how many clicks you want to send on your affiliate landing page. So let's say that we want to send the maximum click, that is 325 clicks on our offer, and we choose this, and here we choose only top tier traffic, that is the traffic from US only. And here you have to like enter the affiliate link or the landing page link that you are using to promote your offer. So as we are just using the direct linking method, we are not using any type of landing page. So let's just simply copy the affiliate link that is given by Max Monty to us. Let's just copy this and paste it over here. Also, let's say that you don't trust the seller on the Udemy, that how he will be writing the email, will it be good or not. Then in that case you can also send the custom email to the seller that he can send to his email list. You can click on this drop down menu here, and you can choose here add text, and here then you can write your email, the subject line and the link wherever you want to use, and you can like do the payment, and the seller will use only this email to send to his audience. But you don't have to do all of this. You simply paste your landing page link or the affiliate link here and click on the finish the order, and after you click on the finish the order, this order will go to the seller. He will approve it, and once this offer is approved, then you will start getting the clicks on your offer from 6 to 10 hours. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.